Hi, Jessie. Good evening.
Good
Hello.
teacher.
Hi, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Jessie?
Good.
How are you? Good? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, very good. That's good. And did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. What did you eat for dinner?
Fish and rice.
Oh, fish and rice. Wow, that's very delicious. So let's say I eat.
I eat fish and rice.
Okay, very good.
What
That's so.
food?
What did I eat? I eat. What did I eat? I eat. What do you call that? That is a Filipino food. I'm thinking about its English name. Wait, let me check. Uh, okay. So it's ground meat omelette and rice. Yeah. So it is an egg, omelette egg, and it has meat inside. Yeah, it's very delicious. It looks like this one. Then ground meat omelette. So it has pork inside this one. So it's very delicious. It's a Filipino food here in our place.
The
uh,
fish did have, but in Vietnam don't have, right?
oh, you don't have this food in
Yes.
Vietnam? Mm,
Yeah.
okay, I see. But I know you also have omelette there. Omelette.
What is omelette?
Omelette is an egg that is cooked like this. It is cooked like this. It is fried egg that is you need to shake the egg before cooking and it will look like this. It's an omelette. Yeah, it's a very delicious omelette.
It is this already.
Oh, you already ate this omelette?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a famous breakfast. We mostly eat it
It's
as
so yummy.
breakfast. Yes, it's so
Yummy.
yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay, so that's good that you already eat. Thank you so much for sharing. So now are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yeah.
Yes,
One,
okay.
how many doors?
Mm-hmm.
One door, two doors.
Okay, very good. So for this question, we ask this question if you want to ask about a number of about how many a thing or things are. For example, if you want to ask how many dolls that does teacher has, so I will answer 10 dolls. So that
I,
is how about you, Jessie? How many dolls do you have?
I have 100.
Oh, one?
100.
Oh,
100.
100. Ooh, that's very many. That's so many.
So many.
Me- yeah, so many. What do you do with your dolls? It's so many.
My mother
Oh,
give
your
for
mother.
me.
Oh, your
But
mother give it to you.
yes, but I don't know why my mother give for me. I don't know.
Because your mother loves you. That's why she gifts or she gives you dolls. But do you like dolls?
Yes, I like.
Yes. Okay, that's so
But
good.
I don't like a Superman.
Superman. I also don't like Superman. It's only for boys,
No,
right?
I like
Oh,
Superman.
you like Superman? Really?
Yes, I have one big Superman.
Oh, wow. That's good to know. How about, do you know Wonder Woman? Wonder Woman. Do you know her?
No,
I know, really. Okay, let me show you a picture. Wonder Woman. She is a girl superhero.
I can
She
see.
here. She is Wonder Woman. She is like Superman, but she is a girl. Yeah.
I don't have.
Oh,
I
you
this
don't.
one. I this one. This one.
Oh, this is Wonder Woman. She's a very, very good superhero also. I like her more than Superman. I like Wonder Woman. Yeah,
What you like?
because she is a girl. She is a woman like us. We are girls, and I like girls. Yeah.
This one.
Hmm? Where?
Uh, no, I like this one.
This one?
No.
Where?
Mm,
This
this
one?
one. This one.
This one?
This one.
Where?
Yes.
Can you? Ah, this
This.
one. Oh, this one?
No.
Ano?
Mm,
What?
mm.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
Ah, this one?
Yes.
Yeah, she is very beautiful. Her movie is also good. It's all about Wonder Woman. Okay.
Why is brown?
Oh, it's brown? Oh, because she is fighting with an enemy, and the scene is like a fight. That's why it looks like that. It has a fire around her. Yeah, that's why it's brown. Okay, so now let's go back again. So for this question, so we ask this if we want to know how many things are. And we answer it by how many is it is, and also what is the name of the object that is being asked. For example, how many toys? How many toys I have? This one.
You have one toy.
One toy. Okay, very good. And if we have two, as usual, we just add letter S. Two or more things. So we add letter S at the end of the word. So if I have two, so we will say two toys.
Two toys.
Okay, very good. So now let's try to answer an activity here that we have. Okay, let's take
DVD.
let's take a look at number one. Okay, what toy is this, Jessie?
This is a dog.
Very good. How many dolls?
One dog.
Mm, one doll. Okay, so we will don't add letter S because we only have one. So one doll. How about for number? Where is number two? Oh, this one. What are these toys?
Two men.
Two men's? Are you sure? Actually, this is also a doll. So it is a boy.
It's men.
It's a boy dolls.
No, it's a girl dog.
Oh, is it a girl? It's a boy. It's color blue. So we call it as two dolls. Okay, so next for number three, let's look at this. What is this, or what toy is this?
This is a ball.
Ball. How many balls?
One ball, two ball.
Two balls? Only
One ball.
one. One ball. Okay, let's go to number four. Oh, What are these toys?
These are balls.
Okay, very good. Balls. How many balls?
I don't know how many.
Oh, let's count. Let's count.
1,
One.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, how many balls?
Is a
8.
ball.
8 balls. Okay,
This is
next.
a black flower.
What toy is this?
This is cars.
Okay, cars or car? How many cars?
Car. Car.
How car? Okay, how many cars?
1
One.
car.
Cars or car? Okay, very good. Car. So again, we will don't add letter S at the end if we talk about only one.
1.
Next, number 6. Okay, what are
Wow.
these?
These are cars.
Cars. Is it a big car or small cars?
Small car.
Small cars. How many cars?
It's 3.
3. Okay, let's say 3.
3 cars.
Okay, we will add letter S. Next, number 7. Let's have this. What toy is this?
This is
Hmm.
this is
This
this
is
is car.
what is it?
It's kite.
Okay. Okay, one more time. Let's say kite.
Kite.
Okay, very good. How many kites? One.
Kite.
Okay, very good. One kite. Next, number 8. How about number 8? What are these? What are these? These are
7
seven.
kite.
7 kites. Very good. So 7 kites. Let's describe this kites. Is it the small kites or big kites?
Small kite.
Very good. Small kites. How about this one? Is it big or small?
Big.
Big kite. Very good. So that's all, I think. Wow, you can name all of the toys that we have, and also you can be able to count how many toys that we have. So now, can you please read the question, or can you please read the questions that we have here? How many?
Many dolls. How many balls?
Huh?
How many cars? How many kites?
Okay, let's read the answers.
1 doll. 2 dolls.
This one.
1 ball. So
This one.
8
8.
ball.
Okay, number 5.
1 car.
And number 6.
3 cars.
Okay, next is number
1
7.
car. 7 cars.
Okay, very good. So again, that is how we answer this question. So how many dolls? So we ask this again to know how many things are there. So regardless if it's only one or two, so we will add letter S on the question. But if we answer it, so it depends on how many. So if we have only one toy or one thing, we should not add letter S. So if we have two or more, we should add letter S. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's listen to our song that
One,
we
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, let's listen to the song. So what is this song? Let's listen.
How many kites?
Page
How many
27.
kites?
C. Sing.
Sing.
How many kites?
How many kites?
1, 2, 3,
Three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6,
six,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many kites?
One kite,
How many cars?
2 cars,
How many dogs?
3 dogs,
How many balls?
4 balls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
How many kites?
5 kites,
How many cars?
6 cars,
How many dolls?
7 dolls,
How many balls?
8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
How many kites?
9 kites,
How many cars?
10 cars,
How many dolls?
11 dolls,
How many balls?
12 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so that is for our song. So it's very, very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so those again, how we can answer the question, how many? And we answer it by how many toys are there.
You you think what I play in today? What I play today?
What? Oh, what do you play today?
Yeah.
Yes, what do you play today?
I
Did you,
play what is thing? I play what? I don't
did you
think
play
there.
dolls?
No.
What did you play?
Game.
Oh,
You
what
know what?
game? What
You
game?
know?
I don't
The
know. Can you tell teacher what is it?
dice game. Dice game.
A dice game.
Yeah.
Oh, who do you play with?
I have one ball. It's a many work, and I roll a dice.
Oh,
If I have a ball, I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I roll a dice. If
uh-uh.
if have if have one look let me roll a dice and she and die will make a one
Mm.
one letter and I see I can jump in that.
Oh, who do you play with? Do you play with your father?
No, I don't I in my grandma house.
Oh, oh. Is your father or mother not there?
Yes.
Ah, no, really? Ah, so you are just with your grandma and grandpa.
Yes.
Oh,
I have my brother too.
doctor?
I have my brother too.
A brother? Your brother is there?
Yes.
Oh, that's why. That's why I cannot see your father. Because you're always with your daddy. whenever we have class. And since you are in your mother's house, so your father is not there.
7 days. In 7 days, I will go back my mother, my mom and my dad house.
Wow. So you just had vacation in your grandma's house.
7
7
days.
days, only 7 days. Wow. So you will go back next Monday?
No, I
Oh,
will go
on Sunday?
no
In where?
5
When
days. I will go back.
5 days. After 5 days, you will go back home. Okay, wow. So enjoy your stay with your grandmother. That's so that's so
Grandmother and grandma and grandpa will go in my mother, in my
oh,
mommy,
y-
daddy house too.
oh, are you close with your grandmother? Are you close? Are you close with your grandmother?
No, it's
Huh? Huh?
it's very far away.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now
It's again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. I
okay,
want
so
to play game.
what do you want to play? Okay, let's
Oh,
play. Let's play another game. So we have here a counting game or counting activity. So let's start first with this toys. What is the name of this toys?
3 dogs,
3
1
dolls.
kite,
Okay.
5
Next is
horse,
5.
horse,
Okay, next.
3 kites, 1
Next.
ball, 1 door, so many balls,
Oh, let's count. Let's
1
count.
car.
Wait, let's count. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 balls.
Okay,
1
and
horse.
okay, wow, very good. So fast. This activity is so easy. So
1,
now
2,
let
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
one,
Teacher,
two.
I want to train an activity.
What? You
I
want to?
want to train.
You want to
Train. Train,
train?
train, train. Yes.
What train?
I
You want
want to see a train. It's on my bike.
you want to play a train activity?
Yes.
Oh, I will prepare it next time so that you can play. Let's check. Let's check if we have here a game. But first, since we are close to finishing our lesson, so let's finish this lesson first. So let's take a look.
Okay.
How many
All
dolls?
3 doors.
3
Train, train, train.
dolls. Okay. And next?
How
How many?
many kites? 1 kite.
1 kite. Very good. Next?
How many cars? 5 cars.
Okay. Very. Next?
How many kites? 3 kites.
Okay. Very good. 3
Train.
kites.
Train, train, train.
Next.
How many balls? 1 ball.
Very good. Next,
How many doors? 1, 2.
1 doll. Oh, dolls?
Teacher, look.
Dolls or doll?
Doll. Teacher,
Uh,
look.
oh,
Teacher, look.
your feet is so tiny. It's so small. Mine is very big. My feet
To see.
are very big. I cannot stand because my room is very small. Okay.
Balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 balls.
Okay. Very good. So next.
How many cars? Right?
Easy, easy. How many cars?
How many cars?
Hmm. One car.
One
Oh,
car,
finish.
one leg,
One leg.
two
Uh,
legs.
2 legs. Wow, very good. So now I think we are
Go and
finished.
one. Wow, what is this?
Yeah, Peppa
Would
Pig.
we see how? What is
Goodbye.
your
It's goodbye, not good be.
goodbye? See you again.
See you later. This one is see you later. Later.
Jesus, see you again.
See you again. Okay, so now let's play. Let's play a mini game. So let's check your.
Mini.
Yes. So now choose a number. What number would you like?
I like one.
Okay, number 1. Okay, read the question.
How many cars? 5 cars.
Okay. And next,
I want to.
number
Number 12.
number
12.
12. Okay. Oh, so
How many
easy.
balls? 1 ball.
Okay, very good. 1 balls? Balls or ball?
Balls.
Huh? Balls with letter S?
Ball. I say balls.
Uh,
Ball.
ball
Ball.
without letter S sound. Okay.
I say ball.
Next,
I want this one. I want this one.
11.
No.
What?
5. 15.
15. Okay.
How many dolls? 2 dolls.
Okay. 2 dolls. Next,
I want 60.
16. Let's say 16.
16.
Okay,
How
read.
many kites?
How
2
many?
kites.
2 kites. Next, number
Number 10.
number 10. Oh.
I don't know this one. How many?
Oh, you don't know this one.
Yes.
How many erasers? Let's say erasers.
Eraser.
Oh, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Let's say 6.
6 eraser.
Okay, very good. Next,
4.
4.
How many pencils? 4 pencils.
How
4
many?
pencils.
4
4
pencils.
pencils.
Okay,
Four pencils.
next. Next is
My brother has hit a doll. Brother.
your brother is a
My
dog.
brother is very
Very,
hit
very,
me.
very hate you.
Yes,
Why? Why does your
hit me. It's a really.
your brother hit you?
Yes.
Oh,
I don't want to. I want
okay.
to play again.
Okay, last number because we actually
You
want
think what? You think me? What letter I like?
What letter
You
do you
think
like?
you
Okay.
like. You
Okay,
play with me.
I will
What
play
a
with you.
lesson.
Oh, next
What
time.
letter do you play? What
What letter?
letter do you like?
Me?
You,
I
you
I don't know what letter I like. Letter J. Okay, so for this one, Jessie, we will continue this game in our next class, next Monday, okay? Because teacher has next class, okay?
oh, you have next class?
Yes, I have a next class
Just,
after you.
just,
So,
just, just, just learn with me.
yeah. She
Can
will
you
learn with
have
you.
my time?
Bye bye. See you again.